Choosing between an MTB mountain bike and a BMX bike can be tough, especially if you're new to cycling. While both are built for off-road riding, they serve very different purposes. Mountain bikes are designed for trails, rough terrains, and long rides, while BMX bikes are built for stunts, tricks, and racing on short tracks. So, which one is right for you? Let's dive into the key differences and help you make the best choice. Frame and design. Mountain bikes are larger, featuring a sturdy frame that supports suspension systems for handling bumps and rough terrain. The geometry allows for a comfortable riding position, making them suitable for long-distance rides on various surfaces, including dirt trails, rocks, and steep hills. BMX bikes, on the other hand, are compact and lightweight with a small, rigid frame. They have a simple design that allows for agility, making them ideal for tricks, jumps, and fast-paced maneuvers. Their short wheelbase and strong frame construction make them perfect for skate parks, BMX tracks, and street riding.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Tires and wheels. MTB tires are wide and knobby, providing maximum grip and traction on uneven surfaces. They come in different sizes, typically 20x, 27.5, or 29, allowing riders to choose a setup that matches their riding style. Larger wheels offer better speed and roll over obstacles more easily. BMX bikes use smaller, 20-inch wheels with thick tires designed for impact resistance. This makes them ideal for jumps and tricks, but limits their efficiency for long rides or rough trails. Some BMX racing bikes have thinner tires for faster acceleration on tracks. Suspension and comfort. One of the biggest differences is suspension. Mountain bikes come with either a front suspension, hardtail, or full suspension, front and rear. This absorbs shocks from rough terrain, providing a smoother and more comfortable ride. BMX bikes have no suspension at all. The rigid frame ensures maximum energy transfer, making them efficient for jumps and tricks. However, this also means they offer little comfort on bumpy roads or uneven trails. Gearing and speed MTBs have multiple gears, allowing riders to handle different terrains and inclines efficiently. Whether you're climbing a steep hill or riding on flat ground, the gears help maintain a steady pace with less effort. BMX bikes usually have a single gear known as a single speed setup. They rely on the rider's power and technique rather than mechanical assistance, making them less suitable for long-distance rides or steep climbs. However, their simplicity makes them easy to maintain. Braking system mountain bikes typically use disc brakes, providing strong stopping power in all weather conditions. This is especially important when riding downhill or on wet and muddy trails. BMX bikes use simple caliper or U-brakes, which are sufficient for the kind of riding they are built for. Since BMX riders often use their feet or techniques like skid stops, powerful brakes aren't always necessary. Best uses and riding style. MTBs are built for adventure. If you love exploring forests, climbing mountains, and tackling rocky trails, an MTB is the best choice. They offer versatility, comfort, and adaptability for all types of terrains. BMX bikes are designed for fun and tricks. If you're into stunts, skate park riding, or short track racing, BMX is the way to go. Their small, strong frame and quick handling make them perfect for high-impact activities and street-style riding. Which one should you choose? Go for an MTB if you enjoy long-distance rides, off-road trails, and need versatility for different terrains. Choose a BMX if you love tricks, stunts, jumps, and short bursts of speed in skate parks or dirt tracks. Both mountain bikes and BMX bikes have their own strengths, and the right choice depends on how and where you want to ride. If you crave adventure and endurance, go for an MTB. If you're all about freestyle riding and tricks, BMX is your best bet. No matter what you choose, both offer an exciting way to enjoy cycling.